Hey everyone, it's Amanda, Pineal Painting, Sarasota, Florida. Doesn't that sound beautiful? Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even believe I'm here doing the exterior of this house now. It started out as a pergola project, and then they had some siding repairs that they needed to have done, so I found them a reference, and yeah, the guy that I referenced didn't end up turn out to be very good, so unfortunately I told them, make sure you check this guy out, because I don't know him, so, but it's somebody that you can try and meet with and everything, and yeah, it didn't work out very well. So then they got back with me and they said, we really want you to paint the outside of the house. So I'm getting ready to pressure wash this sucker today, get this bad boy cleaned up. I mean, there's a lot of gables, like it's got a ton of gables all the way around the top, and that's probably, I don't know, I'm undecided whether I'm going to spray over here or not. And then I got these shutters on the door, on the windows, that all have to come off. And this garage, I'm not quite sure yet. I'm going to estimate it, but I'm probably going to have to find somebody to come and help me get up on the peaks. The one peak on the side, there's a pergola there, so I could probably put a piece of plywood and get up on a ladder on that. This side's got a side where they like a little place to put trash cans, and it's got like a roof with a slope on it, so and then I have to get all the way up in there, so I might buy, they have some ladder jacks and some ladder platforms for roofing, so I might end up having to buy a set. And anyway, that's going to be a whole nother thing, and I haven't even estimated that yet. I got 3 estimates already to do from yesterday. So anyway, so this is going to be a really nice, it's going the same color, which is, it's kind of nice when the people change the color, because it's just like a change, but a nice change. But this will look really nice and it'll freshen it up too. So yeah, I'm gonna go around to the one side where there's a lot of patching gonna need to be done on the siding. Look at this pergola. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, the painter who takes care of those does such a wonderful job. Oh, that's me. Oh, never mind. I just recoated these. I just did a whole clean and recoat on these, and they gave me a tip. They were so happy, so that was nice of them. They're really nice people. Anyway, so this is some of the siding to show you what I'm going to have to be. I'm going to be prepping this and getting all this ready here, starting in a couple days. Pressure wash it today and let it dry out real good. But you can see there's bubbling. There's a lot of loose areas where it's peeling off. Somebody obviously had done some patching before. Let me get out of the shadows here. This side is really the worst side. You got chunking coming out, a lot of cracking. There's some mold growing a little bit on this side. So this is what I'm going to be taking care of. Good thing I gave myself a little bit of time on this one, because this is going to be a bit of prep work, as you can see right here. Yeah. So it's going to be a lot of caulking. See how there's cracks up underneath. You probably can't see it, it's too shadowy. But man, they got a glass block window on this side. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of the 90s. Anyway, so I'm gonna, these are awesome. They got sea grape trees all around their house. So awesome. Anyway, well, I want to get pressure washing on this, and I will be back next week to start getting some prep work done. So, ooh, hear the birds? Such a beautiful day.